APC. One of my brother came here was talking about, we know it's PDP. Well, today, PDP, stay wait for your time. Stay wait for your time. As far as the APC government is concerned, and all the arrangements they made from beginning, South, Central, we should just go back again and start again. Nobody can come to the center and say, I want to become my son.
A prophetic symbol that we want to present to you on behalf of Obubra local government. We are trusting and believing that you are already the governor of our state. Thank you for the wonderful foundation that the digital governor has laid for you to climb. Sir, we present this on behalf of the good people of Obubra local government. Native lantern. And your administration will shine brighter and brighter.
APC! Obubra Same! Obubra Same! Bible is the biggest present that anybody can give to somebody. And Obubra people have given me that today. Not just that, they also gave me the light. And it's very clear, this mission that we are going. God has said, arise and shine, for your time is here. Time has come for Obubra to rise. You've been given an opportunity, and I want to give you every assurance that in terms of rural roads, we are going to do them. That in terms of supporting you to make sure you stand tall in whatever field of endeavor you want to engage in, I give you my guarantee that we are going to do it. Electricity, we are going to look at it and we are going to do it. The boundary disputes that has caused too much life and problems, we are going to bring it to an end.